Hi there, it's Debbie, and in this technique I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple cable. Okay, to make a simple cable I'm going to do a 2-stitch cable for this one, and you're going to need a cable needle. So you can either get straight cable needles or you get this type of needle which has got a little bend in the middle called a cranked cable needle, which is quite handy because it helps keep the stitches on the needle when you're not using them. So what you're going to do for this 2-stitch cable is you're going to get to the point where you want to make the cable, and then just lift the stitches off onto the cable and then hold them. You can just let them drop there to the front, and you can see how on the cranked cable that sits them in place quite nicely. And you're going to knit the next 2 stitches. Just keep an eye on that needle to make sure it's not coming out. And then next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to knit these 2 stitches from the cable needle onto the right hand needle. So you need to bring this up to the side. Have it as much as you can in the same angle as your left hand needle. Just knit that stitch there. It's your first one, and then there's your second one. And then you can remove the cable. And what you should see there is that the 2 stitches, the 2 stitches have crossed over, so these are the 4 stitches that make up your cable. So for this cable I'm going to make a 2-stitch cable that twists to the right, and this will be referred to in a pattern usually as a cable back. The reason being that our cable needle is actually going to be held at the back of the work. So for our 2-stitch cable we're going to slip the first stitch and the second off onto our cable needle, and then we're going to pop this behind our knitting so it sits there at the back out of the way. Just keep an eye out to make sure that the cable needle doesn't slide off. So you're going to knit the next 2 stitches. And now we're going to bring our cable stitches back. So lift those through, and you can see the 2 cable stitches here. Just make sure that they're not twisted and that you're knitting them in the same order as when you put them on the needle. So you're going to knit into the first one, and then knit the second one. Now you can pop your cable needle out of the way and carry on knitting. And you should be able to see there, these are the 4 stitches for our cable, and you can see that is moving to the right.